This may seem relevant to only a few of us, but in actual fact, we are living yet another crisis. We are plundering food sources and living a food lifestyle that is in many ways broken. I believe that in shops, in restaurants, and in the way we live and the way we see food, we don't really see food in the sense of we don't value food. The whole point of this project is to navigate the consumer towards more environmentally sustainable and ethical modes of conduct. I felt that I needed to convict people the same way I was feeling convicted. So I started to explore the food life cycle and realized that there were 3 stages of the food life cycle, and it begins with the growing and the planting, and then the eating, obviously, and then what we do after we eat, if not all of the food is eaten. Each segment I've celebrated food and the journey of it, and to basically remind people how this is such a necessary thing for our future and our becoming.
I reckon it's a little bit like blue cheese, that's delicious. Give me that. Goodness. Actually go for some more.
We wanted the exhibition to sort of be a dinner. It had to provide food in some way. Bearing that in mind, we thought about everything to do with food and dinner and eating. So, I started to use that and incorporate that as part of my deliverables. And I learned ceramics. We made all of the ceramics out of clay. We did a lot of experimentation, so we extracted inks from food, so from cabbage, from beetroot, anything you can imagine with great bright colors. We also used distorted fruits and vegetables and seeds and shells to imprint on the food, to leave a mark on what we were eating from, to link it all together again. As I went on, I actually captured every moment. It's something that people can relate to and respond to. It's an image. We just realized the potential of it, so we went forward and started to print on fabric. And it was phenomenal. The colors came out so beautifully, all printed on hemp linen, natural linen, and I designed 3 books. The one book is called The Rot, and I captured rotten food. I photographed them with a macro lens. The reason for doing this was to challenge the existing perceptions on how society responds to food waste, and I captured moments of decay to show that this part of the food life cycle is as fundamental, as fascinating, and is as beautiful as any other stage of the food life cycle. It's just a nostalgia that I just wanted to do all of this for, because in the end we all want something that we've been needing, and this is something that we need. But it's also something that we want, and why not celebrate it? Why not just start from the roots? Because that's what I've done. And I've loved every moment of it. And I want to do it for the rest of my life. I want to teach people that there's a way of finding value in food again. There is still value left in the world. Food is value, and we should value it. I thought long and hard about what to call this entire project. I decided to call it Reunion because we were like this once before, where we respected the earth, and I feel that it's now time for us to work for the earth instead of the earth working for us.